It's Qualtrics. Google uses them. It's no big thing going to Qualtrics. What is that? Usually I do a screenshot too. As much as I can. And I'll read that. The privacy later. And that's what they did. Is this I forgot what type of assessment this is. But this is a standard assessment for feedback into product. And you're just trying to fulfill a score on their end, on their dashboard, hopefully, to find analytics, behavior analytics of the product. I could go in more in detail, but I don't like to give away so much stuff. But usually these are overall how satisfied with your Google Cloud. All right. So neither satisfied nor satisfied. I'm satisfied with the products. I better plug up, but you get the hint.